Good day, class. We are here again. I am Teacher Debbie, your teacher today, and I'll be taking you on diction. Now, today, we are going to be talking about the sounds of the alphabet. The sound of the alphabet. You can remember in your previous class, you've been taught the sounds from the sound A to the sound Z, which represents the lowercase letters. They are all written here, as you can see. It's here on this chart. And now we're going to start from the first letter. The first letter here is letter A. Letter A sound A. Letter A sound A. And you're going to say it after me. You're going to repeat everything I'm going to say. Repeat after me. Letter A sound A. Say it after me. Yeah. A. As in apple. As in apple. As in ant. As in ant. Now the next letter there is letter B. Letter B sound B. Letter B sound what? So B. Good. Letter B sound B. As in ball. As in ball. As in ball. Another word. Can you remember another word? Can you recall another word that has the letter B? We have ball. 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 Now let's see sound K. Let's see sound K. As in cup. As in cup. As in cup. Good. And another word, we have cats. We have cats. We have card. We have card. Now, the next letter there is letter D. Letter C sound D. Letter D sound D. As in dog. As in dog. As in dog. Another word, drum. As in drum. As in door. As in door. The next letter is a letter E. Letter E sound egg. Now make your hands as if you're going to draw the egg, your egg. Now make your hands like this. Yes. Letter E sound egg. As in egg. As in egg. I eat egg every day. You eat egg every day. So, egg is the sound for letter E. Now, the next letter is F. Say F. Good. Now, F, the sound for letter F is F. It's what? Now raise your two hands like this. Now bring it together and as if you're pressing something. And that gives you the good. Now the as in fish. As in fish. As in father. As in father. As in flag. As in flag. Now, the next letter is letter G. Letter G. I'll say G. Good. G, D, the sound for G is G. Is what? G. Say G. Good. Now, the word for G is what? Goat. Say goat. Goat. Girl. Girl. Gun. Gun. The next letter is letter H. Letter H. The letter H, it doesn't have a sound. It's as if you're breathing down. As in horse. As in hat. As in hand. The next letter, letter I. As in A. As in A. As in ink. As in insect. As in insect. The next letter is letter J. Letter J. As in letter J sound J. Letter J sound J. As in jug. As in jug. The next letter, letter K, sound Let's K sound k, as in key, as in key, as in kettle, as in kite. Let's L. So let's L. Let's L sound L. Let's L sound L. As in leg, as in leg, as in love, as in love, as in lion, as in lion. The next letter is letter M. Letter M. Let sound say as in mango. How many of you love mango? I love eating mango, and I know you love eating mango. Let's sound as in mango, as in man, as in man, as in mommy, as in mommy. The next letter, let N. Let N sound let N sound as in nose, as in nose, as in net. The next letter, let O. So let O. Let O sound O. Let O sound O, as in orange, as in orange, as in onion, as in onion. The next letter, letter P. Letter P sound P. Now put off your candle. P. Let P sound pot. Letter P sound P, as in pot, as in pot. Let Q sound Q, as in queen, as in quack, as in quail. Let R sound R, as in ring, as in ring. Let S sound S. Let S sound S, as in sun, as in snake, as in snail. Let T sound T. Let T sound T, as in teeth, as in teeth, as in table, as in table. Let U sound A. Let U sound A, as in umbrella, as in umbrella, as in uncle, as in uncle. Let V sound V. Let V sound V, as in van, as in van. Let W sound W. Let W sound W, as in window, as in window, as in water, as in water. Let X sound X. Now blow a kiss for me. X. Good. Now X, as in telephone. Let Y sound Z. Let Y sound Z, as in yam, as in yam, as in call yellow, yellow. Let Z sound Z. Let Z sound Z, as in zebra, as in zebra, as in zip, as in zip. Good, children. These are the sounds that we have for today. The 26 alphabet, that is what we are sounding today. The letter A to letter Z. So let's just run over the sound. Are you ready? We're going to take it very fast. Are you ready? 1, 2, go. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, A, P, K, L, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Clap for yourself. Good children. We're going to end this class today here, and subsequent time we're going to come again and give you the vowel letters. I'll see you in our next class. Bye for now.